Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Viola and today's quite a special day. Days like this don't come around too often. I am the proud owner of a new set of hair straighteners. So if you've been watching any of my previous videos, you'll know that I use GHD hair straighteners. Recently, something's just not been quite right. Every time I wash my hair, it's not been turning out the way that I hoped for. It isn't bad, it just isn't how it used to be. So I took a look through my emails and it turns out that my hair straighteners that I'm currently using, I actually received in January 2010. So that's when I ordered them from ASOS, which is a good way to keep track of things that you buy. I've had the same account at ASOS this whole time. And yeah, delivery receipt from 27th of January 2010. Now, I'm not sure the real shelf life of those straighteners. These ones that I've also got from GHD, they've got a 3-year warranty. So I suppose they're meant to, that basically means that that company really guarantees that they're going to be working perfectly for that 3 years, because otherwise they're going to be replacing everybody's items. I've had them like 3 times that amount, and so no wonder that I just didn't feel like they were working the same. I think it comes down to the heat distribution on the plates, or maybe the temperature isn't getting up to the temperature that it's supposed to be, which is 185 degrees. Yeah, maybe just something is off. So right now my hair is really dirty. I've just been, these past few days I've been wearing it back. But today I am going to wash it and do a unboxing of my new straighteners, and also do a first impressions video, and hopefully these new straighteners are what my routine is needing. I've shampooed and conditioned my hair using my Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner. With the conditioner, I'm just really generous. I'll just apply a bit more here, and then I pin my hair up and use some plastic wrap. I'm going to leave this on my hair for 20 minutes today because my hair hasn't really been feeling that dry. So my hair's now been washed out and I rinsed it, first of all with warm water, and then gave it a nice jet of cold water to seal my hair's cuticles. Now I'm going to spray on some Aussie Miracle Moist conditioning spray. Not too generously, because this does work as a heat protector. If you put too much on, then I think it affects like the blow drying and the straightening. But there we go, so that's how much, and then I'm just gonna make sure that's distributed. So now has come the time to straighten my hair. This time around I've gone for the GHD Platinum Professional Stylers. So these ones are £189, whereas the equivalent ones of the ones that I bought 10 years ago are £109. So there are some differences in the stylers. So they come in the box like this. They look very sleek, nice. Let's get this open. So there's some information on the back here, and it just says that these have got precision milled plates for instant frizz-free styling and 20% more shine. That They're healthier styling in one stroke, so it's meant to respond to your hair to control the heat more effectively than before. Quick and versatile sleek design with the round barrel. I guess that's easier to do the curls in your hair with the straighteners, and a unique wishbone hinge. So that's the hinge there, and you can see the on button is in here. This is how they look. And just for comparison, these are my old GHDs. These plates are actually wider and bigger. These ones that I have, they're literally so old that you can hardly see. The logo is like here, but it's so faint now, GHDs, with the serial code and everything like that. But yeah, so these are the old ones, and these are my new ones that I'm going to be using today. So in the box you also get a guide. It just gives you some tips for using them, in terms of using heat protecting spray, stuff like that. A long book of instructions. This protector, so after you finish using them, you can just slot this on, and that's going to stop anyone burning their hands on the plates of your GHDs. This wasn't something that came with the ones I originally had, so this is something I guess that they've added in, just a nice touch, and just makes them a bit safer, I guess. I also went ahead and got the Styler Carry Case and Heat Mat. So that comes in another GHD box. You want to be able to take care of them and use them when I'm going on holidays and stuff like that. So this is actually really cute. When you turn these ones on, they play a little sound, and then the light begins to flash, just indicating that they're heating up. So we'll wait and see how long it takes. So that noise means that they are fully heated. So that was super quick. So now I'm just going to do my hair as normal. I always straighten in small sections. So here is my finished hair. I put a bunch of curls through it, just kind of tousled it, just so it's a bit more, I guess it just looks a bit more fun. I kind of loosened out some of the harsher ways, and so it's just got a fun look to it. Overall, I think my hair definitely looks shinier with the new straighteners, and I'm gonna continue to use them. I'm really happy that I invested in a new set, because I can definitely tell the difference. Let me know if you can tell a difference to my last hair video where I was still using my old straighteners. Thanks for watching. Bye.